Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, and after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done as the breakout has continued. So much so that I'm just going to go ahead and do some house cleaning first, get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. But the first update just brings a tear to my eye. I mean, talk about just the power of charts. And if you were writing a textbook on how you would want to see a price behave relative to a technical chart, this would be a prime example. But there's a rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And for those of you that watched the video, hopefully remember me talking about this area here at 235 as a resistance. But with the big gap up today, at that point, because the price opened right there, you would expected that level to act as support. And sure enough, price came down here. Look at that. Bounced beautifully off that line and up it went. So fantastic job of, that new level of support acting as support. So 235 going to be what I'd call the ideal level moving forward. Meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Absolutely, if the price can stay above 235. However, from more so the overarching standpoint, that is where the purple line comes into play, the very well-known and followed 50-period moving average. Keyword certainly being moving. I get it. The price is way up here. This line's way down here. But as time plays out, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher, which is helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, sure, staying above 235 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, key level to watch moving forward, you're going to be right up there at the $3.20 mark. So keep an eye on 320 going forward. But all in all, fantastic movement today. The uptrend continues, so let's see how this one plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.